Hey guys, welcome to TechBase. Today I'm going to show you a short tutorial on how to customize chat colors in Facebook Messenger. It's pretty simple, so let's get started. First, open Facebook Messenger on your mobile device. Tap on one of your chats. Tap on the eye icon at the top right of your screen. Select Theme. Now scroll all the way to the bottom to Colors and Gradients. Now you can choose the color of your choice. Tap on Select in order to apply this color to your chat. And that's it. This is how you customize chat colors in Facebook Messenger. Thank you for watching TechBase. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then please hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our upcoming videos.